birthday. Say happy birthday.
Yay! Binigyan niyo po sa akin ng happy birthday. Yeah. Okay, next player. What's your name?
Curtis.
Okay, our next player is Curtis. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Go.
Happy birthday!
Yay! 3.6 seconds. Wow.
Okay. Jeros.
That's unbelievable, Curtis. Good job. Our next player is... Are you ready? Okay, ready, go.
Happy birthday!
Yay!
Happy birthday!
Yay! New record! 1.5 seconds.
Okay, Jeros.
Good job, Ashton. Next player is the birthday boy, J. Ross. Are you ready? Okay. Ready? Go.
Happy birthday!
Oh, it's a tie! You're tied with Ashton. 1.5 seconds. Good. Ready? Okay. Ready, set, go.
Happy birthday!
Yay.
Wow! 3.5 seconds! The singer. Nako, delikado tayo dito. Singer to eh.
Yeah.
Ako nakaslip yung tatay. Oh, pasok ka dito. Are you ready, Althea? Okay. Kanino ka nagmana? Sa nanay o sa tatay? Naku. Paano ko nagkakaintindihan ng tatay mo? Sabi niya, she don't speak. Ay, sign language na. Okay. Ready? Okay. Ready, set, go.
Happy birthday!
How many seconds?
Longest. Don't stop.
Happy birthday!
It's a tie. 3.5 seconds. Leading.
Okay.
Next player. What's your name? Kuya Zian. It's 3.5 seconds. Can you beat it?
Happy birthday!
12.8 seconds.
Wow.
8.2 seconds. Wow. Our last player.
Hey, Kirsten nga. Where's Kirsten? Ayaw niya.
Oh, you wanna go first? Okay. After Faye is Tears.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready, Faye? Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday!
5.5 seconds. Wow. Not the least.
Cheers.
Cheers. All the way from Pickering.
Uh-oh.
Representing Kuya Chris and Ate Ana.
Yeah.
Ready?
Okay.
Okay. Ready, set, go.
Happy birthday!
Yay! 5.3 seconds. Who is the winner? Zia! Good job, Zia. Get your prize here.
Yan is the winner.
You wanna pick your prize?
Is the winner.
Next game.